Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the battery on this Nissan Qashqai key fob remote. So the way we're going to change it is that we're going to remove the key blade first. So the way we're going to remove the key blade is we're going to press this button this way and we're going to pull out the key blade. So that's the key blade out of the way. So the next thing we're going to do is we will use a flathead screwdriver and we're going to place it here. And we're gonna turn it clockwise like this, and then just gonna slide it on the side. Same, we're gonna do it on this side. And that should release the cover like this. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the same flathead screwdriver and we're gonna run it along this way to free up all the clips. There we go. So that's the cover been removed. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the same flathead screwdriver to remove the battery. So this particular battery is CR2032 battery. So we're gonna replace it with the like for like CR2032. So the positive side of the battery, which is the flat side of the battery, goes in like this. So that's the battery being placed in. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cover back on, and then we're gonna press the edges like this. There we go friends, we have changed the battery on this key fob remote. This is the same key fob for most of the Nissan cars near around 2017 year. So just gonna slide in the key fob blade. There we go friends, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.